Local news for Thursday the 7th of February. The success of the Greater Wellington Region Exporters will be celebrated at the region's third annual Export NZ ASB Wellington Export Awards in May. Entries have opened and closed on the 1st of April, with the winners of each category contesting the Supreme Award, the ASB Exporter of the Year, which will be announced at a gala dinner at the Intercontinental Hotel on the 23rd of May. Police investigating the collision between a truck and a car on State Highway 2 at Tohiraniko shortly after midday on the 29th of January are seeking further witnesses. One person remains in Wellington Hospital in a critical condition following the collision. A group of Wairarapa rural professionals concerned at farm successions not being addressed by many Wairarapa farmers at the rate it should be have set up a group to help answer questions and support those involved. The service running this and next month is inviting calls or emails farmsuccession@gmail.com or by leaving a message on 0800 558 098. And finally, Twilight Netball registrations are closed tomorrow and there are spots available for both primary, women's and mixed teams.